Trinity College London offers secure English language tests. Approved for UK visa applications to UKVI, for visas, UK visa renewal, British citizenship, and leave to remain. The English test you take will depend on the visa you are applying for. You must arrive at the SELT test centre at the time stated in your confirmation email. Only people taking the test can enter the centre. Any friends or family must wait somewhere else until you have finished. When you enter the building, a receptionist will greet you and tell you where to go next. A Trinity SELT steward will meet you when you enter the testing centre. This person will be your guide through the test experience. Your steward will check your identity. You must show the same identity document you used to book your test, or you will be unable to take your test. The steward will take you to our locker storage. This is where you must leave all personal items. This includes money, watches, switched-off mobile phones, hats, and any food and drink. You will keep the key to your locker until after your test. There are some security checks required by UK visas and immigration before you take your test. You will show both sides of your hands and arms, as well as behind your ears. This is to check for notes, Bluetooth, or electronic devices. We will also ask you to show us that there is nothing left in your pockets. If you wear any clothes for religious purposes, you will have a private space to adjust these to ensure we can follow security checks. Headwear should not be worn in the exam room unless for religious reasons. Your steward will then take you to be registered. One registrar will scan your ID. Take a photo of you. A registrar will also check your ID and photo and ask you to sign your name. This is checked against the signature on your identity document. When these security checks are complete for UKVI security clearance, your steward will take you to the exam room. SELT tests are taken via one-to-one video conferencing. When you enter the room, the examiner will already be on the screen ready to meet you. After your test, your steward will meet you outside the exam room and take you back to your locker. They will explain when you will receive your results and certificate. You will then be taken to the exit and can leave.